Another bombshell from Tesla CEO Elon Musk Tuesday, coming, of course, on Twitter. Musk tweeting, "I'm considering taking Tesla private at $420, funding secured." The announcement, which would mean Tesla would offer to buy back all publicly traded shares at that price, started a stampede into the stock as buyers rushed in for what they hoped would be an easy ride to that $420 mark. Nasdaq briefly halted trading. At the end of the session, Tesla soared by about 11%, closing at nearly $380. But Tesla later posted an email from Musk to employees on its website saying a final decision hasn't been made and that shareholders had to vote for it. And then Musk laid out the benefits of going private. Separately, one source told Reuters that the Saudi Arabia Sovereign Wealth Fund has bought just under 5% of Tesla shares. The fund also has a stake in Uber. All this comes as Tesla starts hiring in China for a new factory in Shanghai just a month after signing agreements with local authorities for the $2 billion project. There's also some question about using Twitter for such announcements. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission allows companies to use social media outlets like Facebook and Twitter to announce key information as long as investors get a heads up about which outlets will be used. The SEC didn't immediately respond to a request for comment on Musk's tweets.